Hello, welcome to Unlocking Understanding 10 Tips for Storybox Success with your host, me, Storybox Lady. Hello. Do you have your book with you so you can do this with me? I'm reading A Wrinkle in Time. So, here is tip number 2. Prior knowledge. What prior knowledge can you gather that relates to your book that you want to read? So let's take a look at A Wrinkle in Time. From the title, we know that it's supposed to be about time and space. So A Wrinkle in Time could suggest about time travel. And so what do I know about time travel, or even space travel for this matter? Well, I know that reality, as far as I know, we haven't been able to time travel in the human race yet. I do know many movies, TV shows, and books have been written about time and space travel. One of my favorite fictional characters is Doctor Who. He can travel forward and backwards in time and space on any planet he wants in his spaceship called the TARDIS. And so I've learned a lot about time travel from him. For space travel, I know that the first satellite that was launched into space was named the Sputnik. I also know about the first man on the moon, the first expedition on the moon. And I know that space has been proven with math and pictures from the giant telescopes like the Hubble telescope and the Deep Field telescope. Those are beautiful pictures. My knowledge is pretty limited in this topic, and that's okay. And you might know a lot about your topic of your book, or you might know just a little bit. And knowing something can help you remember and understand what is going on in your story. And I have read a lot of science fiction, so it helps me understand what is happening in this book. And a lot of my science fiction books that I love to read have been inspired by A Wrinkle in Time, since this is such an old book. A lot of the authors have read this book and wanted to write their own science fiction books about travel and space. And I really enjoy that. If you have more questions or more examples, I would love to hear them in the comments down below. Can you follow me so you don't miss any tips? And I will see you next time for tip number 3. Bye.